Imagine this. Mortgage rates plummet below 6.5% for the first time in months, yet homes are vanishing from the market faster than ever, leaving millions priced out forever. What if I told you the 2025 housing surge could make or break your future? Stick around. The numbers will shock you. Welcome to the National Housing Market Update for September 2025. I'm your guide through the latest from trusted sources like the National Association of Realtors, Zillow, Redfin, and Rocket Mortgage. Today we dive into tumbling rates, soaring prices, and a sales slowdown that's flipping the script on buyers and sellers. Let's unpack the data. First up, interest rates, the lifeblood of any market. After hovering in the high 6% range through summer, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate has eased to 6.3% as of late September, down from 6.62% at the start of the year. Rocket Mortgage reports this as the lowest since early 2024, thanks to the Federal Reserve's recent 25 basis point cut to 4.25%. Zillow economists predict further dips to around 6% by year-end, potentially unlocking $600. $1,200 in annual savings for buyers who shop multiple lenders. But beware, volatility looms with inflation whispers and election echoes. For now, it's a green light for rate-sensitive shoppers. Now, the million-dollar question, literally home prices. Nationally, the average price of homes sold hit $512,800 in Q2 2025, a modest 2% climb from last year per census data. But let's zero in on the median, the true middle ground, which stands at $410,800, up 0.8% annually according to Redfin's latest figures. NAR echoes this with August's median at $422,600 for existing homes, a 2.6% rise that marks 25 straight months of gains. Zillow's Home Value Index pegs the typical value at $369,147, up just 0.5% YoY, signaling a cooling frenzy. Regionally, the Midwest shines with 3.9% growth to $333,800 medians, while the West cools 1.4% to $620,700. Affordability is inching back, but in hotspots like Hartford, expect 4.2% jumps. Sales volume tells a tale of caution. In August 2025, total homes sold nationwide dipped to 461,165, a 2.5% slide from 473,022 in August 2024, says Redfin. Extrapolating to September, we're looking at around 4 million existing home sales annually, flat from July's 4.01 million per NAR. That's less than last year's pace, down roughly 2 to 3% amid high rates earlier in the year. Why the stall? Buyer hesitation in a job market showing cracks, plus inventory at 4.6 months supply, balanced but not bursting. The Midwest and South bucked the trend with slight upticks, while Northeast and West lagged. Overall, it's fewer deals closing but more negotiating power for those who pounce. Bright spot new home sales. They exploded 20.5% in August to an 800,000 annualized rate, the highest since early 2022, up 15.4% from August 2024. Census Bureau attributes this to builders slashing prices, 39% offering cuts per NAHB, and incentives totaling 14% of sale prices. Inventory dipped to 490,000 units, the lowest this year, with months supply at 7.4. Median new home price, $413,500, up 1.9% year over year, but flat amid discounts. The West led with 11.7% monthly gains, signaling builders are stealing share from resales. Looking ahead, Zillow forecasts 4.3 million total sales in 2025, up slightly from 2024, with 2.6% price growth and rates easing to 6%. NAR's Lawrence Yun notes declining rates and rising inventory, up 10% year over year to 2.1 million homes, could thaw the freeze, boosting activity into 2026. Redfin calls this summer's buyer edge the strongest in over a decade, with 35% more sellers than buyers. The verdict? A market tilting toward opportunity if you're prepared. Whether buying, selling, or watching from the sidelines, knowledge is your edge. Thanks for watching the National Housing Market Update. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy house hunting.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.